How's it going, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to another CSS Battle. We are going to try to build out number, what is this? This is number 15. It's called Overlap. And the goal is to build out these little circles with a little bit of overlap in between. So hopefully this isn't too hard to do, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. All right, so I think what we could do here is basically make two circles. Let's just start with the left circle. I'm going to go over here and change the background color to that color that we have in our little command color prompt. And let's just go ahead and name this orange box. Let's give it like a class of left circle, I guess. So I can say class of left circle. I'm gonna style that, so left circle here. And let's give it a rounded border radius of 50. That is how you round circles out in CSS. And then one thing I'll see is that our circle looks like it's about half the size. So I'm just gonna bump up the size to 200 by 200. That was way too much. So let's go down to 150, 150. And that looks a little bit more accurate, but at this point we probably want to position it in the correct position. So let's just go ahead and give this a position of like absolute. And I'm just gonna give it some left of and some top. I could probably use like flex to center it, but I'm gonna do this approach for right now because I find it pretty easy to get going. All right, so let's try this. It's a little bit high. So we'll do top of 75. And then it's a little bit left, so I'll say left to 75 as well. So lucky for us, that actually lines up pretty good. So let's change that background color to make it match what we want. That looks pretty good as well. So let's work on the right circle. So I'm gonna make another div. I'm gonna call it right circle. And I will copy this logic here because I'm lazy and I don't care about drying up code. Man, I get so many comments about how I could like dry stuff up, and it's like, I don't care. Like this is just me. This is just a challenge for me to like build out these cool shapes. I'm not interested in like reducing the amount of characters, but no matter how many times I say that in the series, people are still gonna ask. All right, so for the right circle, let's just go ahead and change the color to this. And we'll just keep moving it over some. You know, we could probably do right. Someone actually did leave a comment and said, hey, you know, you could do right. And that might, wow. Wow, look how easy that was. I switched it from a left to a right and it's on the perfect position. So thank you to my subscribers who leave comments and give me little tips and tricks because they actually help me a lot. And everyone else should read through the comments because people have some good suggestions. All right, so now the question is, how do you do this inner thing, this inner circle? The approach that comes to my head is let's just put a circle inside either the left or the right circle and then move it over. So I'm gonna make another div. I'm gonna put it inside the right circle and I'm gonna call it inner circle. And let's just go ahead and copy and paste this. Call it inner circle. Change the background color to match the background. And now we just need to position in such a way that it actually overlaps. The one thing that comes to mind is we should probably put some overflow hidden on our right circle. So overflow hidden. Look at that. Now it's like being cut off. I'm not sure if the battles, like the battle's called visibility. I wonder if that's like related to just like most of the things you're gonna have to use like overflow or something. Anyway, I'm just rambling. So let's just move it up and see if we can get it into a good position. 50, 20, you know, let's make it 0. That's probably the correct one. So 0 looks good. I think we just need to move it over some. So we'll try 20. And that didn't work. Oh, let's do left instead of right. We'll do left. And we will do -50 maybe. And keep on increasing that until we get something that looks good. -100. So I think that it looks like it's off by a little bit. I don't know if maybe like, let me zoom in a little bit. Sorry if my head's blocking it, but I need to be able to see. I don't know. It might, sometimes it doesn't look like it's matching perfectly, but when you submit it, you actually get 100% match. Let's just try submitting it and see what we get. Nice, we got 100% match. So, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment if you want to see another CSS Battle video of a particular challenge. And then also give me a thumbs up if you like this little short video of me doing it. Happy coding all. Later.